Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML, and right now we'll be discussing about some emojis, some emoji symbols in UTF-8 that you can find easily, that you can use. So quickly, let me copy all these. We are having all these now, and firstly, let's check our document. We are having all these emojis from our previous tutorial. You can check our previous tutorial on how we got all these. So I'm going to change all this. I'm going to place another one here right now inside our document. Right here we are having our emojis. Let's place the new one we are having right here. You can find some of it also inside it. Can you see the way they are looking? My document is now looking full of emojis. Can you see? I'm smiling at you guys. So we are getting to the advanced level of this HTML. Gently. Congratulations if you have followed me reach up to this level. I'm saying congratulations yourself. Anwar akorede ayofe is my name, don't you forget. But let me keep this one also there, so you can see the type of symbol we are having right here. Let's place it there and save our document also. Can you see we're having this one? So we can have more characters as much as we want. That's what I want to show you guys right here. Have a great day. Thank you so much. I wish to see you guys